We've been telling you all about the places to see the eclipse, but really the big place in our area to be is in St. Joe.
Well, that's where we sent Rob Collins, our eclipse correspondent. Rob, what's going on?
Hey guys, good morning. Well, we have a little telescope here to tell you more about the eclipse and more ways you can see them. I know Kathy's out in the Legends where everybody's trying to get their glasses. Glasses are a good way, but you can step up your game a little bit. This is Mr. Michael Bakich. He's from Astronomy magazine, senior editor, photo editor, here to tell us what is this contraption?
This is called a sun funnel. While most people will be using glasses like this to observe the eclipse, what we have here is a telescope setup. Now, normally, and let me grab something real quick, you'd put a solar filter on the front of your telescope. You always want to put it on the front of the optics, whether you're using a telescope or binoculars or whatever. But this happens to be a projection device, so we use the telescope as a big lens, and it actually projects an image of the sun onto this rear projection screen. Cost me about $15 to make this, and I'm not kidding, I made it in 6 minutes. So it's real simple, the 2 clamps, and real simple to make, but unfortunately,
we're not getting cooperation over that way from the sun this morning.
About half an hour ago, we had a nice image of the sun with several sunspots on it. It was very nice.
It was beautiful, and I can't stress enough, put the optics on the front, because you could literally blind yourself in a heartbeat.
Right, absolutely. If you try to use eclipse glasses and have binoculars in front of them, the concentrated sunlight will burn through these in less than a second, and the damage to your eye would be just astounding. You'd go blind.
Well, don't do that, folks. Again, take that warning seriously. And we're talking about St. Joe here. A lot of folks are coming out to the airport here because 2 minutes, 39.3 seconds of totality. And there's a big difference between partial, total, and even 95% is a big difference.
Right, and we were talking about that. Des Moines has a 95% partial. And you might think, wow, why do I need to go anywhere? I mean, that's really cool. 95% of the sun covered. What's the difference? The way their sky will look and the way our sky. Their sky, I kid you not, will be 50,000 times brighter than the sky here in St. Joe.
Wow.
And that's 95% covered.
All right, so there you go. Totality is the place to be. Airport is a place a lot of folks will be. We have more information on the airport if you're coming out here on our website, fox4kc.com.